It was a cold Christmas Eve in the small village of Evergreen. The snow blanketed the ground, and twinkling lights adorned every home. Families were gathered around warm fireplaces, sharing stories and laughter. But in a little cottage at the edge of the village, young Emma and her little brother Jack sat quietly. Their parents had been struggling financially, and there were no presents under their tree this year. As the clock struck 8 p.m., a soft knock echoed through the quiet cottage. Emma and Jack exchanged puzzled glances. When Emma opened the door, she saw an elderly man with a long white beard, dressed in a warm red coat and holding a lantern. "Good evening," he said with a kind smile. "I seem to have lost my way. Could you spare some warmth for an old traveler?" Emma welcomed him inside, offering him the last cup of their hot cocoa. Jack brought over a blanket, and they all sat near the small fireplace. The man listened as Emma shared stories from her scrapbook, her eyes lighting up as she spoke about the magic of Christmas. Before leaving, the man thanked the children warmly and said, "You have given me more than I could have imagined. Kindness, warmth, and hope are the greatest gifts of all." As he stepped out into the snowy night, Emma and Jack watched him disappear into the distance. But as they turned back inside, they noticed something magical. Beneath their small decorated tree was a sparkling package wrapped in gold and red. Inside the package, they found toys for Jack, a new art set for Emma, and enough food and treats for their family to enjoy a wonderful Christmas dinner. A small note read, "Thank you for reminding me of the true spirit of Christmas. Share this joy with others and never stop believing. Santa." The next morning, the village awoke to find gifts left on every doorstep, each one perfectly tailored to the family who lived there. Word spread about the mysterious visitor to Emma and Jack's home. The villagers came together, sharing their joy and gratitude. Emma and Jack's family found themselves surrounded by new friends and a community strengthened by kindness. That Christmas became one the village would never forget, a day when the true spirit of Christmas, filled with generosity and love, brought everyone together. Moral of the story: the true magic of Christmas lies in kindness, hope, and sharing joy with others.